Back in 2013, my husband and I embarked on a road trip around Iceland. We knew it would be lovely, but nothing prepared us for the jaw-dropping beauty of the almost alien landscapes the country features. Come see for yourself. Hopefully this info isn't outdated. I'm redoing this video after a music copyright claim made it blocked worldwide. We started our road trip in Reykjavik and drove on the southern portion of the ring road all the way to Hofen, where we then turned back and returned to Reykjavik. We'd originally planned to do the whole loop, but there were so many incredible sights that we spent too long in the south and had to just head back the way we came, lest we miss our flight home. Just past Reykjavik, well out of the city limits, but still relatively close, we found ourselves already pulling over to explore the landscape.
We're in a place that has about 6 different little tiny hot springs. The whole area is steaming, and I can't pronounce it because it's got a lot of weird letters in it. But I have a feeling this water is really hot. I don't know, should I touch it? Oh, it's not bad. It stinks really bad though. It's making a weird gray foam. I bet it's a lot hotter up there. The whole ground is bubbling. Take a look right there. Ooh! The whole ground is sinking under my feet. I probably shouldn't walk here. Woo! Sulfur!
No es que vayas a crecer algo y digas, a puesto, que tiene una pista y tiene por al lado.
Look at this little one.
Look at that.
Just bubbling away. Whew. I don't think I'll stick my toe in there.
Bet you that. It's like 200 degrees, 150 degrees.
Heard this weird sound when I was walking up the path. I'm scared to step in because look. That is hot, hot bubbling clay. Do not fall in there. Joey is testing the hot, hot boiling clay.
It's all clay.
Oh, I'm scared to step on this thing. If you fall in, I'm going to be really upset.
The whole sides you can make crazy.
Now put it on your face.
Yeah, good mud bath.
Another fascinating aspect of Iceland's landscape are the lush, moss-covered lava fields. The lumpy, bubbling rock formations of past lava flows are covered with a thick carpet of dense moss. When dry, the moss appears brittle and gray, but when damp, is thick, spongy, and green. It ruins easily, so don't touch it or walk on it. Your touch might leave an imprint forever. There are lots of places alongside the ring road for you to stop and see the lava fields up close, and sometimes pathways weave inside them. Just don't go making your own. Oh, and P.S. Don't play with Icelandic stones either. That's also considered a big no-no. Iceland has a big culture of respecting elves and other fairy folk, and moving stones is considered disrespectful. Roads have literally been made around rocks so as to prevent angering the elves. At the beginning of our road trip, I'd get very upset if Joey didn't stop to let me check out a pretty waterfall near the side of the road. What we soon learned, however, is that there are waterfalls around almost every turn. If you miss one, you'll certainly have the chance to catch another.
Just driving on the side of the road. About every 30 seconds, there's a river like this with falls built into them, or there's a waterfall coming down the mountain. This country is just unreal. Honestly, every 30 seconds.
Iceland is indeed a world of surreal landscapes. We missed the sights in the north, like Vidserkir, this rhino-looking rock formation on the ocean's edge. We also visited in summer, and so did not see any ice caves or cross any glaciers. But check out my other Iceland videos to see footage of iceberg lagoons, shooting geysers, volcanic basalt columns, and much more. Because we knew we'd love the landscape, we opted to camp our way around the island despite me being 4 months pregnant. It was fun, but a little chilly. I would still recommend it because you're surrounded by such beautiful scenery. Which part was your favorite Icelandic landscape? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like it, leave a comment, and share it out on your social media. If you're not yet a subscriber, please consider clicking the red subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I put out a new video. Happy travels, everyone!